It's your girl DeeJay coming to you with a DIY Dollar Tree home decor project. I'm new to YouTube, so I'm looking for some support. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like my video, and hit that bell notification so that you can receive notifications every time I upload a new video. My goal here on YouTube is I'm going to do some DIY projects for home decor. We are in the process of remodeling our home, so I'm looking for a really inexpensive way to decorate my home since the remodeling project is costing quite a bit of money to start off with, okay? And I'm going to be doing some product reviews and some unboxing. So if you think that that's something that you'd be interested in seeing, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Now I'm going to get on to the items that I got from the Dollar Tree to do my project. I got these 2 glass candle holders here, really cute. I got these other candle holders here. These have a gold tint to them and it has the cracked glass effect. It's going to be really cute. The gold is going to really go good with the project that I have in mind. So I'm going to set one on top of the other, glue it together, and yeah, that's going to be that. So for the glue, I did pick up some glue from the Dollar Tree. I got this glue here. I do recommend using E6000, but because this is a Dollar Tree project, I wanted to make sure that I stuck with mainly Dollar Tree items. So I did get some glue from the Dollar Tree. Okay, but I do recommend E6000, not hot glue though. Hot glue doesn't work well with glass. Trust me, I've learned that the hard way. So yeah, I got this beautiful table runner. I'm really happy with this. I'm pleased with my buy. Really nice. For $1, a table runner. Yeah, it's gonna look beautiful. So excited about that. I got a picture frame from the Dollar Tree. It's an 11 by 14 picture frame. I plan on using it this way because I plan on taking this placemat. Yes, I did say placemat. And cutting it down to size and placing it in there. It says, "So good to be home." I thought it was really cute. And I think it's going to look really cute framed. And so for framed art, can't go wrong, huh? Again, you're going to need a pair of scissors so you can cut this mat down to fit inside the frame. Now the frame is black and it's the color that I need. So for this project, I won't be painting the frame. Okay. I picked up some candles from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree has wonderful candles. They come in different colors, different scents. I did get these. These are a cream color and they're vanilla scented. It smells really good. Okay. Now from Amazon, I did order me 2 candle holders. They hang on the wall. They're wall sconces, candelabras, whatever you choose to call them, that's fine. But they're black, they're metal. The candle holder is glass. Beautiful. I'm going to provide a link in the description box where you can go ahead and click on that and get you a pair if you choose to do so. Very nice. I also have a friend of mine at work by the name of Peta who was shopping one day at Goodwill and came across this bowl and instantly thought of me. It's a very beautiful glass bowl. It has frosted glass, a gold trim, and it has gold fleur-de-lis on it. I hope you can see that. Very beautiful. I'm from Louisiana. Fleur-de-lis just so happens to be my thing. So I love it. Thanks, Peta. This is going to go great with my project. So if you want to see how I put all this together and make the end result, be sure you stay tuned. Okay, so now the how I'm going to put everything together. Okay, I am using gloves because I want to protect my hands from the glue, so you may want to do that. Now before I started, I went ahead and I removed the paper backing on the back of the candle holders, and that's just because I don't want it to show through in my finished project. Okay, so you may want to do that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the glue I got from the Dollar Tree and I'm going to put a generous amount on the rim of the candle holder like this. I don't want to put too much because I really don't want any seepage through. And oh, looks like I may have put in too much, but let's see what happens. And then you stick this, kind of center it as much as you can on there like that. I like to look from the top and make sure that it's pretty much centered, and it is. So that looks good like that. So there's that. There's one of them. So we're going to do the exact same thing to the other candle holder. I got me some glue on my gloves. So take our glue once again and put some on the rim of this candle holder, like that. All right, and then screw this on so I don't make a mess with it. Then I'll take this one and stick it right on top, try to center it on there as much as I possibly can. And once again, I'm looking from the top down, just kind of make sure that I pretty much got it centered. It looks as though I do. So there's that. So that's going to take a little bit of time to dry, especially if you're using E6000. With E6000, they do recommend that you let it set for about 24 hours before you set it up. This is super glue from the Dollar Tree, so it shouldn't take as long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and set these to the side so that they'll have plenty of time to dry before I'm ready to do what I want with it. So now I'm going to work on the picture frame. Okay, so we'll start by flipping the frame over and remove everything from the inside and only leave the glass on the inside. Okay, so all these little metal pieces that hold it together, we'll just lift it up, and then we'll remove the backing, set that to the side because we will be using it. We put it back together, and then we're going to take this paper out here. Okay, and this paper is actually what we're going to use to measure on our placemat. That way we know how big to cut our placemat. So don't get rid of this just yet. Keep a hold to it. I'm going to set the picture frame to the side for now until we're ready for it. So we're going to take our paper, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it over my mat about where I would need it, but I kind of want to make sure that I pretty much get it centered. I see the edge of the flowers here, so I need to center it some more. So my edging is about here, and then here it's about here. So I got more on that side than this side, so I'm going to slide it over some. Let's see, and you pretty much got to eyeball it because you can't see through the paper to really know if it's centered or not. And I think it's pretty much side to side how I need it. And then from the top, the lettering, I am going to have to move this up some. Make sure I get more of the lettering in there and it doesn't get cut off. And it looks like my bottom's going to get cut off some, so it's going to be a tight fit, guys. But I think I can make it work. There we go. We pretty much got it like that. If it looks good to you, I'm thinking it'll be just fine like that. And I'm going to take an ink pen. I'm going to trace around my paper, and then I'm going to cut it out. I did it. So we got our mat cut out, and we put our paper on top just to test the theory out, and yep, it's the right size. That should do it, guys. It should fit inside of our picture frame nicely. Okay, so I had a little mishap with the picture frame. It broke, so I had to glue it back together. So back where we left off at, cut our mat out, put the paper on to make sure it's the right size. It seems as though it's going to work out just fine. So we're going to reassemble the picture frame with the mat in it. So we'll get our frame. And put our glass back in first. Right. Right, there we go. Now we're going to put our frame in, our mat in. Okay. Put our backing back on. And close everything up. So we're just gonna close all of this up. And there we go. So there we have it. Our framed picture. It's so good to be home. There we go. That actually came out pretty nice. I like it. Some of the letters looks like got cut off, but you can still read it and understand what it is. You get the idea. So anyway, you can get one of these pretty placemats at the Dollar Tree and then pick up a frame, cut it down to size and frame it, and there you go. You got to use some beautiful wall decor. So our candle holders are now dry. These are pretty candle holders. This is how they came out. Like that. Yeah, I like them. I think that they're cute. So we're going to stick our candles in there. See what it looks like. There's that one. And our other candle here. So that's what it looks like with the candles in it. There we go. Isn't that cute? I think that is so cute. So when I set it on my buffet, what I'm going to do is it's going to go on either side of my bowl, and you can see that the gold from the candle holders kind of picks up from the gold from the bowl, and it matches. So yeah, so that's how that is done. So guys, I'm gonna set everything up and come back with a final view of what the final product looks like. All right, so stay tuned for that. Okay guys, so this is the final project. I have my table runner across my buffet, and then I have my bowl and my two candle holders right there with each other. So pretty. I like the way that came out. I got the buffet from my sister-in-law. She gave that to us. So happy about that. Then if we come up, then I got my picture, all the glare, and the candle holders with the candles. I'm pretty pleased with it. What do you guys think, huh? Leave a comment below to let me know what you think of the finished product. I'm happy with it though. Okay guys, so that's the finished product. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button so that you can get notified every time that I upload a video. It's been fun. I've enjoyed it. I like the end result of it. So if you do too, let me know about it, okay? Until next time, I'm DeeJay. Bye-bye.